Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name's Sandy. In this video we're going to be fitting VCLs and our service battens. So VCL stands for a vapor control layer, and in this instance what that is this membrane. It's a roll just like a building paper, and it goes on the inside of the building, on the warm side, and it just helps to control the amount of moisture, vapour that goes in and out of the building. And that with the wood fibre behind it, which also has the ability to store moisture but still release it, just really is, it's the best build up we can have on these old stone buildings, so it's worthwhile doing. I'm not a real pro on the ins and outs of all the VCLs and getting really into the weeds of it all, but I think that's a fairly accurate enough description of a VCL for now. So with that, we'll get on with the video. Today this afternoon we're starting the VCLs, the vapor control layer. This was a change of spec. It wasn't originally in the job, but it's been added in, so it's make it a better job, a bit more airtight. And so we had to take off some of our 2-inch we already had on. But luckily most of it was just stitched on, but still a wee bit backwards to go forwards. The chimney breasts, we've actually dwanged them out rather than strap them on the outside, just because the customer requested that, just to give them a bit more space. They've got furniture that was looking pretty tight for it to fit. So we've just started here, got our first row all the way around this room, and now we're going to start the ceilings, which are a bit more of a pain, but this is pretty much working bang on for the roll, for the overlap just under these ties. Then we'll probably just jump above it and then piece bits in between and tape them. See, we're just fitting some wee cuttings in between these ceiling ties. It's quite an awkward wee bit to deal with, with the rolls of the VCL. So this is about the same height as a roll, comes up a bit. Then this distance is just over a roll, gives us an overlap. So then that seals across these cuttings, and then we do the same above. It's a wee bit of an awkward bit, but we think that was the best one. We did the same through, didn't do the same through here actually. We did it after, and then we did that one the other way. They both look the same, but I think it's easier just putting the cuttings in now. So the membranes are on. All the laps and the sheets, we use this pressure tape to go along all the joints, just to really help with that air tightness. A wee bit monotonous doing this membrane work, I find. I know some people kind of not love it, well, I'm sure some do, but get a bit of a kick out of tapes and membranes and getting it all airtight, and it is all really important and doing a really vital job for the building and the success of the building, but it's not the most exciting part of any build. But it's done now. You can see these tricky details around these ceiling ties, which you're just doing a great job of up there. And that's just done most of it. Now that our VCLs are all complete, we're going to start reinstating our service batten. On this instance, we're using 2-inch of 50 by 25mm, and we're going to fit it horizontally on the walls and vertically in the sloped ceilings, because the lining boards are going on vertically on the walls like that, and horizontally on the ceilings. And this also gives the electrician and plumber a cavity space to fit all their services in. So let's get on with it. Right, that's all the straps on the walls all the way around. Next up we are, well, I am, Stooge's off. I'm going to start framing round and into the windows. What we're trying to achieve is making the margin on the outside the same as this, so 40mm, so it all looks intentional. So we'll cut these back, get a timber screwed on the face, form that in. You can see Yuji's already taped all the windows, help with a bit of the air tightness, try and reduce as many drafts as possible, especially with these sash and case, because they're kind of hollow behind there, there's no insulation in them. Yeah, I'll show you how we're going to do that. Right guys, that is us pretty much ready to roll for the electrician and the plumber up here. Apart from this window, as we know, still got that, hopefully get attacked next week. VCLs are all on, strapping's all on, partitions have been built up to the top of the roof. So the only thing we haven't finished is round these windows. I've packed them out, put this first piece in, but I don't have any more 8x2, but that's okay, we can catch that when we do our lining boards. And I had, these are the lining boards here that were, there's a couple of cuttings. These are Douglas fir. I think they'll look quite nice, quite wide boards, so it'll help get through it all a bit quicker as well. But yeah, that's us done, guess kind of first fix up here. Thanks for watching, catch you on the next video. Cheers for now.